In the case of Coast Guard Station Detroit and Traverse City, they are involved in ice operations. Would you wave for the swimmer, ASD-3 Cody Wright, as he takes a leisurely ride back up into the helicopter, as the rescue is now complete. If the rescued individual needs medical help at 3 miles a minute, they'll head back to where medical attention can be given to the rescued individual. Quite often the helicopters are augmented by jet aircraft and by turboprop aircraft. And going back to the ice conditions, when the sea lane in the Great Lakes was going to go down to the right end, turn around, take off, get to 2,000 feet, circle around, drop those streamers from 2,000 feet. The team will be circling around, the team will be back by the open door, watching to see what the winds do with the streamers from 2,000 feet back to the surface of the earth. The Coast Guard standing by. Again, give them a big wave, Cleveland, if you will. Dedicated men and women, getting the job done. Because once he starts his hovering, those discount drug mart earplugs are going to come in very handy. From your right, over your right shoulder. Said one of the 7 pillars of success in the Gulf War, one of the 7 most important weapons of the Gulf War, one of them was this, the Harrier, to start the jet engine, the Rolls-Royce Pegasus engine. It only needs a Marine Corps pilot, or Art Nalls, and a mandatory 55 gallons of distilled water. The jet of the jet engine keeps them at a reasonable temperature, and it is distilled water with its anti-rust ingredients that keep any of the valves from rusting up. Both the Hollywood version and the ones from Cherry Point, North Carolina, were on the scene flying. They do some Hollywood stuff where Arnold gets in a Harrier. Captured his daughter, and they're heading to Miami. And he gets in a Harrier, and he says to the Marines, "I'll get it back to you very soon." This was originally a joint venture between Douglas Company and British Aerospace. Now the Boeing company has taken over Douglas and British Aerospace. It is 23 residuals that built in both countries. These go out to St. Louis. We owe that performance to Boss Aerospace, the great Cleveland company who underwrote the cost of the only precision-owned carrier in the world today, and the expertise of Art Nalls.